So our next test is the sieve analysis and hygrometer analysis. Now sieve analysis and hygrometer analysis, these two tests are performed to determine the particle size distribution of soil. Sieve analysis is used for cohesionless soil and hygrometer is for fine-grained or cohesive soil. Now what are cohesionless soil? That is, if the particle size is greater than 75 micron, that is the cohesionless or coarse graded soil, and below that it is fine graded soil. So first I will describe the sieve analysis. Now these are the set of sieves you can see, and at the top it is 4.75 mm, then 2 mm, then 1.18 like that, and at the last it is a 75 micron sieve, and at the bottommost it is a pan where the soil will be contained. Now what we have to do, we have to take 500 gram of dry soil, mix both cohesive and cohesionless. Then we put all the 500 gram soil in the top sieve here, and then we will shake it in the sieve shaker. And after shaking, depending on the particle size, some portion will be retained on this sieve, some will be retained on this sieve. Retained means the particle size is greater than that particular sieve size. So after shaking for 10 minutes, what we have to do, we have to determine the weight retained on each sieve. Then after certain calculation, we can see the cumulative percentage retained and cumulative percentage final. And we have to plot a graph, that is, on the x-axis it will be the particle size or sieve opening size, and on the y-axis it will be percentage final. That will be on a semi-log plot. That means the particle size is on the log scale and percentage final is on the normal scale or ordinary scale. And then we will get a graph to determine the distribution of the coarse, medium and fine grained sand only, because this is sieve analysis.
Here we arrange all the sieves as descending order. You can see this is 4.75 millimeter, 2 millimeter, next 1.18 millimeter. This is 850 micron sieve, 600 micron, 300 micron, and this is 150 micron, 75 micron, and last we have this is pan. Okay, and here we have to here we have to take as per chart, we have to take the empty weight of the sieves. So just we okay, this is 488 gram. So we write here 488 gram. The next rest are the here we write next weighing. Okay. Next I take 500 grams soil and put it there. Close it with pan and take it to the this is sieve shaker machine. Okay. Here there is a digital. Here there is 99 seconds. Digital timer is written here 99. So as we have take 10 minutes, so we have to start this machine for 6 times for 600 seconds. 600 second is completed. Now we want to take it out. You can see the residuals. Written part in all shapes. Now, as per chart, we have to take weight of the sheaves plus soil. So, starting from first side, we have to weight this. Okay, we can get weight of the sheep plus soil. Next, we can calculate the other parts with these portions.